of I have enough solder wire, but this one also has flux. I don't have any flux, so I can dip my tip into the flux and touch this fine tip onto the soldering surface and put the solder close to the hot surface, and the flux should suck or draw in the solder around the soldering surface. So flux is very handy. For that, here are the tips. Here's an even very fine one. I actually want to use the very fine tip. And so now you probably don't need a soldering iron. You probably already have one. So maybe you want to count this or add this as your budget for building your robot. But I would think this is optional for your cost. So that's all of the items so far. Thank you for watching.